A school is sharing 10 care packs among 4 support rooms. The quiet room, the newcomer room, the reading corner, and the wellness room. The quiet room must get at least 3 packs. Each of the other rooms must get at least 1. How many different ways can the school share them? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint: hand out the minimums first. Then use stars and bars on what is left. This is the same first move as level 0. Reserved seats. The quiet room needs at least 3, so reserve 3 packs for quiet. Then reserve 1 pack each for newcomer, reading, and wellness. That uses 6 packs in total. 10 minus 6 equals 4 extras left to share. Now use the same move as level 1, stars and bars. Lay the 4 extras as stars in a row. With 4 rooms, we need 3 dividers. We call them bars. That makes 7 things in a row total. Just count. How many ways can the 3 bars sit among the 7 positions? 7 choose 3. Why 7 choose 3? We have 7 slots and we pick 3 for bars. 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. That is 210 divided by 6, which equals 35. The answer is 35 ways. Nice spotting. This is the reserve then bars rule. If every room must get at least some minimum, then reserve those packs first. Then apply stars and bars to the extras. The number of ways equals extras plus rooms minus 1. Choose rooms minus 1. Look for the words each must get at least when the minimum is more than 1. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.